What you're about to see and hear is real.
It was very bad.
So you mean to tell me Namasiku stole the phone?
Not Namasiku. It was Mate who stole the phone. Then Namasiku was confronting Mate about the phone. You know what I'm saying? And then when Namasiku told Mate that bring my phone, it's my phone. Mate refused to bring it to the hand who bought the phone.
So Mr. Mziza, can you please tell us who defeated the other one?
I think it's
Who else? Mr. Mubarishevo, I heard there was a scene in class. Can you tell us what happened?
Yes, in class, they were fighting here.
They were fighting?
This is the second entry for me. As far as I'm concerned, I was at the barber shop. As you can see, I don't have my hair. I lost my hair. When I come back, I just had a second entry. There was a fight in the class, so I really don't know who defeated the other one. But the whole story today, that brown girl, he was beating strong hard.
This report was made possible by Samzala Zambo. Thanks to Nox Salushando, aka Lewag.
I ain't through with you, so don't you try to walk away. Feeling like I want you back, but there's some things still